Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Kavita, I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn new lesson Roman numerals. Do you know about Roman numerals? We use Hindu-Arabic numerals for counting and writing. Roman numerals were invented by Romans many years ago. Where do you see Roman numerals? Okay, let me help you. What is this? Clock. You must have seen Roman numerals on clock faces, books, movies, Olympics or outside of our classroom board. The Romans used 7 letters of the alphabet to represent numbers. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Value of I is 1, value of V is 5, value of X is 10, value of L is 50, value of C is 100, value of D is 500, value of M is 1000. To form numbers with these numerals, you have to follow certain rules. There are 3 rules. Rule of repetition, rule of addition and rule of subtraction. We will see one by one. The first rule is rule of repetition. To form larger numbers, I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. The number formed is their sum. Let us see first example. Here I is repeated 2 times. So 2 times I means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next example, X, X, X. Here X is repeated 3 times and value of X is 10. So X, X, X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Last example is C, C. Here C is repeated 2 times. As we know the value of C is 100. Then 2 times C is equal to 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Next rule is rule of addition. A smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. I will give you an idea to remember this rule. If first digit is greater than second digit, then you have to add. See, in first example, what is written there? Vi. The value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. 5 is greater than 1. So, Vi means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next example is VII. So, value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. Last example is XXII. So, value of X is 10 and XXII is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 22. Third rule is rule of subtraction. A smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. In short, how you will remember this rule? If the smaller value is written first followed by the greater value, then subtract the values. Let us see first example. IV. Here I is written first and value of I is less than the value of V. Again we will revise. Value of I is 1, value of V is 5. Then subtract the values. IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next example is IX. Now value of X is 10, value of I is 1. So Ix is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And last example is XL. So value of L is 50, value of X is 10. So your answer is 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Remember children, 4 is written as IV. As I told, I, C, X and M can be repeated up to only 3 times. You cannot repeat it 4 times. So always you should keep in your mind that 4 is written as IV. The next rule is combination of addition and subtraction. A smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Let us see first example. XIV. In this example, X and V both are greater numeral. I is a smaller numeral. So this I should be subtracted from V. Value of X is 10. Value of I is 1. Value of V is 5. So 10 plus 5 minus 1. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. One more example we will see. XIX. Value of X is 10. Value of I is 1 and again X is there. So 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Whenever you are writing Roman numerals, you have to keep in your mind few things. The first one is do not repeat V, L and D. There is no concept of place value system in Roman numeral system. And last one is 0 does not exist in Roman numerals. I hope you understood this. I am sending an exercise along with this video. Try to solve it. Thank you.